27 divided by 9 equals 3, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 3 divided by 1 equals 3. But this answer is not right. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present, and according to the rules we must work from left to right to simplify this expression. So we need to solve this division first because that is on the left side. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Our expression simplifies to 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Now we need to solve this division because that is on the left side. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and our expression now simplifies to 1 divided by 3, which can be written as 1 over 3. And that is our final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.